Staring into a mirror for an extended period can create an eerie feeling, as if the reflection is somehow alive or separate from us. This unsettling experience comes from how the brain processes faces, perception, and familiarity. When you look at yourself briefly, your brain easily matches the image to your stored memory of your own face. But when you stare too long, the brain begins to adapt. Neurons responsible for face recognition start to fatigue, causing your reflected features to subtly distort or lose clarity. This process, called perceptual adaptation, makes the reflection feel unfamiliar, almost like a stranger is looking back. The brain is wired to detect faces everywhere and assign them emotional meaning. When your reflection shifts even slightly due to lighting, micromovements, or visual fatigue, your brain may interpret it as a new face. This triggers the unsettling sense that the reflection has its own presence or awareness. There's also a phenomenon called the Troxler effect, where unchanging visual information fades from awareness. If you stare fixedly at your own eyes, peripheral details like cheeks, jawline or saw, or background may blur or morph. This distortion makes the face appear animated or alive, even though it's still. Mirrors also evoke psychological projection. When you stare long enough, your mind begins to fill the silence with thoughts, emotions, or self-awareness. This interactivity can feel like it's coming from the reflection instead of within you, giving it an eerie, almost sentient quality. Another factor is the brain's relationship with identity. Seeing yourself this way isn't how humans evolved. We never encountered our own faces for long before mirrors existed. Extended mirror gazing forces the brain into an unnatural loop, observing itself, observing itself. This recursive feedback can create a strange sense of presence or duality. In short, mirrors feel alive when we stare too long because our perception breaks down, our brain fills in missing information, and our sense of self becomes momentarily unstable. The reflection hasn't changed. Our mind has begun treating it like someone else.